Is it ideal for a man or a woman to just walk away from you? They just ghost you with no prior notice, and then you didn't just see it coming. You didn't just feel something like that could happen. You're in a relationship with a man or a woman, and then you feel, oh, this is going somewhere beautiful. Oh, we're heading somewhere. Oh, this is my happily ever after. Oh, I feel a strong connection with this person. Not knowing the whole thing is actually just you and you alone. All of a sudden, somebody like this just walk, they just walk away. They just ghost you with no notice, nothing at all. You get me? My name is Yinka. I'm a relationship and marriage advisor. I've been in the industry for a while now. I love talking about marriages, relationship, the beautiful, the ups and downs, the weird part of it, and how to handle it, how to make it more beautiful, how to make correction, how to fix it when it is still fixable. Click on that bell. Turn on the notification button because I'll be dropping in hot. I'll be dropping loads and loads and loads of things we can both learn from. Back to the business of the day. You're in a relationship with someone that someone you love. Don't let me say someone that loves you because you only know your heart. Someone you love so much. Someone you feel, oh, we're heading somewhere. Someone you feel, oh, this is it. This is mine. Oh, we're planning something. Something is going to come up someday. Someone you feel, oh, they're going to propose someday. Or someone you feel, if I propose, oh, they're just going to say yes. They'll be so excited. Someone you already have in your plan. Someone you're planning with. In your head, you feel, oh, I'm planning with this person. We're going somewhere. We're heading somewhere beautiful. We're dreaming about the holidays and everything. And all of a sudden, they just go quiet. You just feel, oh, I'm not bothered. Because if they're bothered, obviously, they won't go quiet on you if you've been through it. There's a way to mend this. Don't just be in pain. Don't just sit somewhere and brood about that. Don't just sit somewhere and cry. It's I feel it is still fixable. There's nothing if it's not. My own philosophy is if it's not broken, if it's not completely broken, try and fix it. Make amends. In a case like this, I feel try and communicate. Effective communication. You know what communication does? It helps you yourself to know where you're lagging. It helps you to know your shortcomings. It helps you to know how to work on yourself. When you communicate with someone, it helps you to know their hearts. During that communication, you will say some things. I mean, effective communications are in different types. If you're communicating effectively, it bats beautiful things, beautiful outcome. Although it may not be what you're expecting, it may not be what you feel it should be, but it will give you every opportunity to recheck yourself and check yourself. And it will give you solace. Let me put it that way. Because when you communicate with someone effectively, they would obviously communicate their hearts, although they may not be saying the truth, but at least you will learn one or two things from them. And then you can work on yourself. Probably you want to prepare for the next level, for the next relationship, or you want to continue with them. At least you will know what you did wrong and what you didn't do wrong. I will be dropping a video soon about effective communication, especially in relationship and marriages. If you find yourself in a situation where they just walk out on you, don't doubt yourself. Don't feel you're the problem. Don't just sit there and cry. Don't just sit there and feel, oh, this one again. Come on, adjust your tiara. Not this one again. There's nothing like this one again. Yeah, if you're not there yet, yeah, you're just not there, which I believe you will get there someday. You will find the right person, the right lady, the right man. Yeah, you will find it. There's someone for everyone out there. You just need to keep going. You need to keep. So it's not time for you to cry. Don't even cry. Adjust your tiara. It's time to go out. It's time to be beautiful. It's time to, reorganize yourself. It's time to dust yourself. It's time to get your nails done, your hair's done, self love. Do you get me? It's time for you to evaluate that self love, the one you've not been doing. Yeah, it's not time to just sit down and brood over what. No, if they care so much about you, they're not just going to walk away. Yeah, like I was saying, try every means. Talk to them. Hear from them. If they're not forthcoming, if you think it's not fixable, because as for me, I believe in choosing yourself first, prioritizing your happiness. Choose yourself first. Make yourself happy before anyone. If you don't do it, no one will do it for you. Yeah. Go first. You first. Prioritize your mental health. Prioritize your mental health in any situation. Trust me, it does work. It helps your confidence. It helps you fix things. It's not time to raise shoulder. It's not time to feel, oh, I have done it before. No, 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 no. People are different. Relationships are different. Don't say, oh, women are like this, men are like this. No. Try and communicate with them. Be calm. Be reasonable. In case they want to communicate, in case they are ready to talk, in case they are ready to mend whatever it is that was bothering them. Otherwise, if it's not working, it's not working. If it's fixable, try and tell them never to go talk on you. Right. This reminds me, a few years ago, there was a client of mine that went through an issue like this. This person just ghosted them. When she called, she was crying, and I'm like, no, it's not time to cry. Don't cry. Dust yourself. Dust yourself. Don't let it affect you. Drop it off, queen. Be beautiful. Being beautiful doesn't mean makeup and no. Be beautiful from inside. Heal from the inside. Don't say you're the problem. No, you're not. You know you're not the problem. I told her, be beautiful. Get up. Do something beautiful. Do something good for yourself. Think about yourself. Prioritize your mental health. Then she did. Guess what? A few months later, our friend came back and he was, trying to beg and was 100% remorseful. And my client said, I'm sorry. Although I've forgiven you, but I need to move on. I found a better life, a beautiful things going on for me, and I don't want anything to affect it, which I believe you should do as well. Don't dwell on it. It's very hard, but it is doable. It is what? It is doable. I said so. Let this word echo in your ears wherever you are right now. I said it is doable. You can do it. Come on, get up. Dust yourself. And I love you. I love you so very much. I love you. Remember, all your wishes will be coming through. Thank you. Don't forget, click on the bell, subscribe. You and I